Welcome to this tutorial on how to compress PDFs in C#. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to compress PDFs using IronPDF in a C# console application. We start off in the NuGet Package Manager. Make sure you have IronPDF installed. As you can see, I already have it set up. So let's go ahead and jump into the program CS file. All right, so let's dive into the code. At the very beginning, we set the IronPDF license key. This is important for activating the library. But for the sake of security, I've hidden the actual key in this video. So next, we load our PDF document from a file. In this example, I'm using sample PDF located at f:/ironpdfsample.pdf. This line of code reads the PDF and stores it in a variable named PDF. Now, we create an instance of compression options. This is where we define how we want to compress the PDF. First, we enable image compression. We set compress images to true, which tells IronPDF to compress images within the PDF. Then we set the JPEG quality to 80, which balances quality and file size. High quality image subsampling is enabled to further optimize images. Additionally, shrink images is set to true to ensure images are reduced in size. For tree structure compression, we set remove structure tree to true. This removes any structural information in the PDF that isn't necessary for display purposes, further reducing the file size. With our compression options configured, we call the compress method on the PDF object, passing in our compression options. This applies all our defined compression settings to the PDF. In case you want to compress only the images, you can use the compress images method with a quality parameter. Alternatively, if you want to compress only the structure tree, there's the compress struct tree method. However, in this example, we've applied comprehensive compression. Finally, we save the compressed PDF to a new file using the save as method. And the new file is saved as compress.pdf in the same directory. So let's go ahead and run the program. And the program is executed successfully. So let's check the file sizes. The original file was 927 KB, and after compression, it's now 519 KB, and that's a significant reduction. You can tweak the compression options to suit your needs, of course. Adjusting the values can give you different results based on your requirements. And that's it. Compressing PDFs with IronPDF is straightforward and efficient. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead and click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.